Namaskar. If you are having a lot of problems in your relationship, then maybe you have a blocked heart chakra, or which is called as Anahata Chakra. You may not know it, but the root of your many emotional struggles lie within you on an energetic level in your Anahata Chakra. Anahata Chakra is one of the 7 energy chakras in your body that affects your emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being. Even if one chakra is blocked, it can affect everything, right from your mood to your relationship. This Anahata Chakra or Heart Chakra is the 4th energy chakra and is located at the center of your chest. It's not just responsible for your romantic love, but also for self-love, compassion, and the ability to form meaningful connection with others. When this chakra is open and balanced, you will experience love and empathy easily, allowing for deep connection, trust, and vulnerability in your relationship. When the Anahata Chakra is blocked, it can cause emotional pain, making you feel guarded, closed off, or even resentful. Jealousy, codependence, fear of commitment and intimacy, self-sabotage, and holding on to grudges are all signs of blocked heart chakra. In short, a blocked heart chakra can lead to a repeated cycles of frustration in your romantic life, where even the most promising connection seems to fizzle out and cause you emotional pain. Let's look at the causes of blocked heart chakra. Past emotional trauma is the biggest reason behind the blocked heart chakra. If you have experienced heartbreak, loss, betrayal before, you may have these subconscious thoughts about love being painful. These fears become very deeply are embedded in your cycle, and you keep repeating negative patterns in your love relationship. This adds to the blocks in your heart chakra. The next cause of blocked Anahata Chakra comes when you think you are unworthy of love. You may think you are unattractive or unsuccessful and don't deserve love. All this will really block your heart chakra. So start loving yourself from today. Did you know that holding on to resentment towards past lovers, friends, or even yourself can block the flow of love? So forget that bad ex and really move on. If you want to heal your heart chakra, then work on your mindset. Clear the negativity around love in your heart. When you experience jealousy and codependence, try to remember your own self-worth. Repeatedly tell yourself that you are worthy of love, affection, and care. Don't hold on to grudges, because when you do so, you are putting yourself in a negative space that will not allow intimacy and trust. These are very important for love. Now let us learn some healing techniques to open up the Anahata Chakra. One of the most powerful ways to open the heart chakra is through sound healing, particularly using the solfeggio frequency of 639 Hz, which is associated with harmonizing relationship and healing emotional wounds. This is what you have to do. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably there. Close your eyes and take deep, calming breaths. Now, play the 639 Hz frequency, solfeggio frequency soundtrack. These are available online. But if you can't find them, then you can download them from the Yoga Institute's meditation app Nispanda. Now start focusing on your heart space. Place your hand on your chest over your heart. As you breathe in, imagine green light, the color associated with the heart chakra, coming from your heart center. Every inhalation, this green light is glowing brighter. As you listen, imagine the sound waves around your chest, softening any emotional tension or blockage in your heart space. Now visualize all your past hurts, betrayals, or unresolved emotions dissolving as the green light brightens. Allow yourself to get rid of negative feelings which you are holding for a long time, whether it is anger, sadness, or fear. As you continue to breathe deeply, listening to the frequency, repeat the following affirmations silently or loudly. I am open to giving and receiving love. I release all fear and allow love to fill in my heart. Finally, when you feel peaceful, open your eyes. Take a moment to express gratitude for that which is getting healed and for your ability to experience love more freely in your relationship. If you are struggling in love, start healing Anahata Chakra. Start with your own healing and watch as love flows back into your life, stronger and more abundant than before. Namaskar.